So are you thinking of moving to Fort Worth, Texas, and maybe you want to be in the middle somewhere? Maybe you need to be really close to the airport, or maybe within half an hour between Dallas and Fort Worth. Maybe you're just working at home and you want a convenient location close to everything. I've got the place for you, and we're about to tour it right now, so don't go anywhere. So if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up on the channel. Hi, this is Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours, and we get calls and texts from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So whether you're moving sooner or later, go ahead and give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, book a Zoom. Details are below of how to do that, and I would love to connect with you and help you figure out how to make a smooth move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Welcome to M3 Ranch. This is conveniently located, this master plan community is conveniently located in between Dallas and Fort Worth on the south side of the Mid-Cities Metroplex. 30 minutes to Fort Worth, 30 minutes to Dallas, 30 minutes to the airport, less than 2 miles to an HEB, and we Texans, we love our HEB. Conveniently located near all kinds of restaurants in one of the best school districts in the area, and to top it all off, an amazing tax rate, property tax rate. It's around 2%. So we're going to check out a builder today that you're going to absolutely love. So the builder we're going to tour today is one I've toured before in a different community, and their homes are absolutely beautiful. This builder started in 1967 and is strong still today in the state of Texas, all over Texas. Beautiful, beautiful home. This is a one-story home that we're going to tour here in the model. They have 50 and 70-foot lots here at M3 Ranch. This is on a 50-foot lot. So I'm excited to show you what the Perry model home looks like here at M3. Are you ready to go check it out? Let's go. All right, so as we come in the front entryway, you're going to see a beautiful hallway with tray cut out in the ceiling. Absolutely gorgeous. And right off to the front, directly off the front, is what you could do as an office or a media room, TV room. What would you put here? And notice how they did this treatment. They did just a brick treatment on this wall. Very interesting. But they have it set up as kind of a sitting room, TV room. And this is going to be your garage. You know, they've got this set up as the office right now. And I can come back to those. This would be, you know, there'd be a door right here. And you have your mudroom right off. You know, so you'd have your garage door coming out of here. And then you'd have your mudroom. And notice the treatment here in the tray. You've got the beams. Do y'all like that? Do you not like it? I personally do. I do personally like it. Got your hall closet right here. Nice and convenient off the front hallway. And over here to our left is our first bedroom. Ensuite. So you got your bathroom in this bedroom, which is really nice. Very, very nice. Got a little vault to the ceiling. And you got kind of a super shower here in your bath. Under-mounted sink. Nice tile there. Really nice. Tall ceilings in here. Makes it feel extra roomy. Let's see, we got a closet here. This would be shelves, linens and so forth. And then over to our right, we have 2 more bedrooms. Okay, cool. Right here, we have second spare bedroom. Cute. I think this is for a baseball player. What do y'all think? They got this set up with a file cabinet in here, but not too bad as far as room there in the closet. And yeah, then you got that vault also in this room. Nice tall doors here, internal doors. Very nice. And you've got this shared bath. This is going to be the bathroom for these two. Shared bath, and then a beautiful, oh wow, completely different decor. I think this might be for a girl. Maybe. And another really good size spare room closet. You know, some of them are not this deep. They don't have that much room. They're just like one rod. That is really nice that they have that deep of a closet for a spare room. Okay, so now what do we, oh, this is our laundry room. Y'all hadn't even come through here yet. Okay, so you got your laundry room here. And I bet I know what's over there. So we'll check that out here in a minute. Oh, that's locked. Not sure. Over there. Okay, so we've been over there. Now, Perry Homes does a really good job of having big open spaces. And that's what they've got here. You've got your big kitchen. Got your gas stove. This is a gas community. Check out the backsplash. What do y'all think? It's interesting. I like it. Granite is going to be your standard. You can upgrade to quartz. And then your pantry. Let's check it out. Nice. Pretty good size. Pretty good size pantry there. And then I don't see a cutout. All right. Now, this space over here, what would you do on this wall? As you see, they have some shelving set up. Would you do anything different? What would you put on that wall? Fireplace is usually an upgrade in this size. And then over there on the far wall, we've got a really nice buffet area. And underneath the island, notice you got some cabinets. So let's see here. Yeah, a little bit of storage on the other side. So you have a deep place to sit, and then you also have a little bit of storage on that. So that's really nice. Sure, a double oven is an option if you'd like to put one there. Okay, we're going to come back to all this information like I always do. But as you can see, this is a really nice staging area for if you have guests over, you want to make a nice meal. Thanksgiving's coming up. That's probably a good place to put all your food for Thanksgiving. How many desserts do y'all have for Thanksgiving? Your family, do you have like a dessert per person? Our family does that. So here's the back patio. And of course, they've upgraded this flooring, but isn't that nice? Wow. You got brick all the way around. Let's take a look from the backside. Nice. Nice sized lot. This is a 50-foot lot, I believe. Yeah, 50-foot lot. So there's the back. Lots of light. Perry does a good job of that. And then we have, you know what we have last? You guys leave it in the comments. Where do I go last? Where could we possibly be going? It would be the primary. Save the best for last. Oh, wow. Really big primary space in here. Really tall ceilings. Wow. And look at the treatment on that wall. What is that? Oh, it's like a wallpaper. That is like a wallpaper. Really interesting. What do y'all think? It's really subtle, but it gives it a little bit of texture. I kind of like that. So here's another angle of the primary. Nice windows, looking out the back. Then we have our primary bath. And this is kind of a signature Perry look right now with the garden tub being the center. Wow, okay. And you have closets on both sides. Nice. Look at the windows. That's really cool. Lots of light. It brings in a lot of light into your bathroom, which is so nice. Vanity on each side. This is probably... Nope. That's linen. Okay, so this is the throne room. All right. I had to get that. Right. Yes, that's our throne room there. And, you know, some people, give me your comment. Do you like a freestanding tub? Or do you like a tub that is with tile? Some people like it with tile because they have a place to put stuff like your accessories, your candles, all that stuff. Some people like the freestanding tub because of the way it looks, but then when you look at functionality, it may be harder to get in and out of. So what's your thoughts? What's your thoughts on that? And then we have an open fridge here. We have an open shower. I don't know where that came from. Your shower is open. So there's no door right here. So you just step in, and true to Perry form, you have this closet here on this side. Let me walk in it. Okay. And then you have over here, you have another closet. So you have his and her closets. And this side, this one leads into the laundry room. So there's your laundry room. So you lead into the laundry room from this closet. So I think that's a really nice touch. His and her closets. Then you're not fighting over space. You have space for everyone. Okay, now let's go back and get some details. Let's get some details on this community, what they've got going on. Okay, so Perry has 50-foot lots and 70-foot lots. So we've got 50-foot lots here in M3 Ranch, starting at 518.9, going to 622.9, 1 and 2 story. 70s start at 687.9 and 811.9. So to give you perspective on a 70-foot lot, there are builders that are building on 35-foot lots. This is twice that size. So that it's incredible that you can still get something like that within really an easy distance to everything. This is, 2 miles to an HEB. It is 30 minutes to the airport, 30 minutes to Fort Worth or Dallas. Shopping, restaurants, everything is just right down the road. And you feel like you're a little bit out in the country. So the available lots are the ones in yellow, the 50-foot lots. And these are in the new phase that's coming up. So that's what they have available. The inventory lots, dark blue. The dark blues, like those are built and ready to go. Okay. And then on your 70s, let me show you that map. Okay, so this is your 70s right here. 70s are the yellow, not gold, yellow. Okay, not orange. Those are the 70-foot lots available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like there. And then 6, 7, 8. So 8 of those available. So let's talk about inventory. The 50-foot inventory right now, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that right? Yeah, 10. 10 inventory lots. So pretty good selection right now on these, on the inventory on the 50 that are going to be ready soon now, November, December, the next few months. And then we've got 70-foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the 70-foot. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Now, October, really coming up all the way into March. Okay. And so the 70-foot, as you can tell, just beautiful, wide, beautiful homes. Awesome. 740, 750, kind of the price ranges. So the cool part about M3 Ranch is we're in Johnson County. And so the tax rate is lower. Look at that tax rate, 2.19, 2.2. Basically, that's before your homestead exemption. Your HOA is, I think, $875 a year. Not bad at all. And Mansfield schools, you can look this up, but Mansfield schools are top-rated schools in the area. And again, you're close to everything. Oh, goodness, like less than 2 miles to an HEB. You're 5 minutes up 287 to all kinds of restaurants and shopping, all the stores that you can imagine. And Perry Homes, just some of their features, their smart homes, video doorbell, Wi-Fi, keyless, Wi-Fi light switch, all kinds of cool stuff. And then you have a 2-2-10 warranty on a Perry home. Most builders are 1-2-10. They have a 2-2-10. And I talk about incentives, and yes, they change all the time. But right now, they got a few things on the ground. Here is their year-end sales event for right now, up to $50,000 in savings, up to $50,000. That's not including my incentives as well, okay? So I have my own incentives to add to this. You got to talk to me first to get them, though. Don't call the builder directly. Talk to me. So here you go with the Perry Homes here in M3 Ranch. Let's see, what else can I show you? To show you the amenity center that's coming. That will be coming soon. Whatever Lakia is, a pool building, a pool, splash pad, playground, equipment area, roundabout, you know, all kinds of cool stuff. There's a lot of building going on here in M3 Ranch. They are not done. That is for sure. They have 3 more phases to go. So let me know what you think about this Perry home out here in M3 Ranch. I would love to know your thoughts. And if you could see yourself living here, give me a call. In the comments, and then give me a call. Well, thanks for coming here and touring the Perry Homes here at M3 Ranch. Did you like it? I really enjoyed it. I thought it was a great home, beautiful finish out. And if you could see yourself living in a Perry home here in M3 Ranch, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email, book a Zoom. I would love to connect with you and figure out how I can help you make a smooth move here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. My details are below in the description. And this is Elizabeth Oliva with the Fort Worth Home Tours. And until next time, and when you come into town, I hope to show you around.